What do wheel spacers do for the Maserati GT?
Wheel spacers are not only useful for improving the vehicle's stance, but it also aids in handwheel upgrades. Customers not only desire the power of surging vehicle, but also have a high demand for handling the vehicle. This can be reflected in both steering and braking. The Maserati GranTurismo wheel spacers can increase the length of the track, making the vehicle more stable in the corner. More grip will help the vehicle to go through the corner at a higher speed. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are made of high-grade 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits the wheel hub better. All of our products have got more than 15 SGS and TÜV authority test reports.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.